Hello everyone. I hope you learn and enjoy a lot on introduction of nanoscience and nanotechnology on my previous video. Now I am coming with my new lecture in which we understand the properties of nanomaterials. What make the science a nanoscale special? It is interesting because at nanoscale unique properties, that is optical, magnetic, electrical and other properties emerges. These properties have potential for great impact in electronic, medicine, energy, storage and other field. What is reason behind the unique properties of nanoparticles? First is high surface area to volume ratio. The nanoparticles have extremely large surface area to volume ratio, resulting more surface. This gives rise to enhance or to modify the properties of bulk material. Next is quantum effect. The nanomaterial size also have special confinement effect on the materials. The energy band structure and charge carrier density in the material can be modified quite differently from their bulk and in turns will modify electrical and optical properties of materials. Next reason is reduce imperfection. Nanomaterials favor a self-purification process in that the impurity and intrinsic material defect more near the surface annealing, which in turn increases the perfection in materials and thus affect properties of nanomaterials. The chemical stability enhance. As a result, mechanical properties of nanomaterials become better than bulk one. Properties of nanoparticle. First is color. It is an optical property that is different at nanoscale. Color of material determined by the wavelength of light absorbed or emitted. The optical properties of nanomaterial are decided by size and shape of nanoparticles. A reduction in size of nanoparticles leads to creation of surface plasma. Surface plasma have ability to absorb energy from light, which can give rise to different color of nanomaterial. The absorption of light in nanomaterial is depend on nanometer size. The elemental gold, as we know, has nice shining yellow color. You can see in the images. But when gold is reduced to nanoscale, the color may vary from red to blue depending on large to small size respectively. An opaque substance also becomes transparent at nanoscale. Next property is surface area. High surface to volume ratio is very important characteristics of nanoparticles. If a bulk material is divided into group of individual nanoparticle, the total volume remains the same, but the surface area is largely increases. With large surface area for the same volume, small particle react much faster because more surface area provide more number of reaction site, leading to more chemical reactivity. Explanation of increase in surface area with decrease in particle size is given here. In first images, you can see the area is 6 meters square, but when it reduced to half, the area become 12 meters square, and when it reduced to 1/3, the area become 18 meters square. But volume of all the cube remains same, hence surface area to volume ratio is increases. Third properties is thermal properties. The melting point of nanomaterial change drastically and depend on size. Sodium cluster of 1000 atom appear to melt at 288 Kelvin, while cluster of 10,000 atom melt at 303 Kelvin, and bulk sodium it melt at 371 Kelvin because it depends on size of nanomaterial. Fourth one is catalytic activity. It depends on surface area of material. Due to increase in surface area with decrease in particle size, nanomaterial based catalyst increases catalytic activity. The nanomaterial have more atom or molecule near the surface than larger particle. In the reaction, nanoparticles are able to react more quickly, hence it have good catalytic properties. An example, gold bulk form is unreactive, but when it reduced to nanoparticle is very good catalytic activity in many organic reactions. Next is electrical properties. Electrical conductivity is observed to change at nanoscale. Electrical properties depend on number of free electron, collision and electron dimension of material. At nanoscale, the dimension altered, there is sharp decrease in dimension in the nanoscale that leads to decreased capacitance of material. A single electron alter potential of material and can give new electrical properties. CNT have found to be metallic or semiconductor depending on their structure. The tube length and diameter are responsible for change in electrical properties. An insulator become conduction at nanoscale. Next is mechanical properties, means how hard they are to break. Mechanical properties of nanomaterial are decided by size of nanoparticles, surface atom, grain size, grain boundary and porosity. Young modulus of the nanomaterial decreases in the low nanoparticle size. The hardness of material can increases at nanoscale. Example is nanocopper is shown super harder material compared to bulk one. Nano-size copper and palladium cluster with diameter in the size range of 5 to 7 nanometer can have hardness up to 500% greater than bulk metal. The property of polymer alter to a large extent by addition of nanoparticles called fillers. Larger particles give poor mechanical properties, but by using carbon nanotube, it is possible to produce composite fiber with high strength. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.